Sure, Mate. Akala
Yeah, my voice is not voicing today, but I'll try.
Phofu na last week uthethe ngevoice yakho. Ne-bass yayo. But ungathi bass usithi intoni kanye?
I refer to it as a barato, but I might be wrong, because I might attack a lot of musicians out there. But like art form is respected, so if you speak like ill of it, then abantu baba offended by art form. Yeah, but definitely I am fine.
Usemandleni, no.
Yeah, I am. I try to be. I try to be. Yeah, you know when you about uphila, I realize funeke like ukwazi uzexpand as umuntu. Yeah, not live a double life, but yeah, ukwazi like to tackle every obstacle ebakhona ebomini bakho. Like not necessarily in a like it's a challenge for you, but it's a challenge for you so that it can grow you. I don't think ukhona umuntu that takes an opportunity okanye a task for the sake of just I'm just taking this task because I'm bored. You do a task because you want to challenge yourself and you want to grow.
But yeah, 2 weeks in a row at least sawubona ba like sawukwazi ukugcina to a point yoba maybe like sibethe 10 weeks in a row.
Yeah, but yabona nithetha it's sound, it's volume. uthi 2 weeks in a row target yakho 10. Like if you can imagine indlela esidibene ngayo this afternoon.
And andifuna uthetha ngayo. And andifuna uthetha ngayo, but I think she's capable of push like 10 weeks nje. Yeah, full 10 weeks August shooter and upload without any gaps. And if it happens while we get a guest, then that's beautiful. You can even upload twice, but Lena yona, it's like even if we do have a guest, but we've not been a push so that this is always banale rhythm. Each and every weekend we do shoot the episode now. But yeah, otherwise now I'm doing good and I'm happy that I upload an episode last week because we've been saying about can we at least have some sort of a show, and siqalile and namhlanje sinenye topic food. So yona even though ndingayifumananga from incwadi but ikhona kwezinye incwadi and packaged ngendlela different but le analogy or concept or topic, it's something esifamiliar ngayo as abantu I would assume nje kanjalo so in front of us nale class iyo yam ayo yakho, but iyo ezasinceda to illustrate le analogy or topic so it's usually done as a test
sure,
whereby kubuze uba when you see this glass, do you see it as half full or half empty? So for the sake of conversation and whatever, ndizayibuza kuwe so how jongela glass, do you see it as half full or half empty?
Okay, I'm a mathematician. Since you provide the answers for me, if you're providing answers for me,
there's no right or wrong answer.
I'm going there as well. If also provide the answer when asking a question, right? So in like I'm gonna think through it deeper, right? Yes, I'm gonna say it's half empty. Yes, I'm gonna say it's half full, provided that I provide reasons why.
But also like Lena, I funu kucinga kakhulu ngayo and reason. It's like what if you not test that the first thing that comes kuwe without you going logical nje uhle kakhulu because it's
singayo but
okay. So there's any production fault, but zamele uyilungisa now. So going back to your question, bendisa explain uba kufunwa the first thing that comes to mind it's like initial reaction yakho nje qha yabo. So kawujonga nje iglass yabo.
Okay.
Do you see it as half empty or half full?
Okay. I think let me continue now where I was at. So I was speaking of like if you are provided the answers, right? You would have to check as a two as a part. Yes, someone might say it's half full. Yes, someone might say but it's half empty. Then magnate like the reasons, which are okay for me. Since there's something inside, right?
Yeah.
Remember when you in like une points is two up, right? You're moving from a point from of empty to full, and then moving from point of full to empty, right?
Okay.
So if it was drawing a lot direction in Jalo, that will ring a bell. So for me, and I like that we are using a simple glass of water as our model, like a demonstration yet. Okay. Initially for me, yeah, I know you want that initial answer. So initially for me, since there's something inside this glass, so I think we are approaching like being full. But yeah, it's said that in another perspective is that if this glass were or was to be like full, then it got spilled, then we're approaching empty. But to assume about something, you assume about somehow there was something, but then it's gone. So it's moving towards empty. So I might be self-sabotaging myself. But again, I'm not a simple straight answer.
Yeah.
If there's something, then we are approaching somewhere. So it's half full for me.
Half full.
Yeah, that's how I would say it.
So just to point it out there, both answers are correct.
Yeah, they are.
Because lendole it's half empty because nyani ke le party lapha so empty yabo, empty of amanzi yabo, then le party lapha ezansi full yabo, so it is half full and then it's also half empty. But ke ngoku into yoba so both answers are true, but ke ngoku initial answer yomntu ke ngoku yabo, the so-called experts yabo baye bathi ke ngoku it tells us something about the character yakho yabo, indlela ocinga ngayo and the way you approach izinto yabo. So phofu nami to answer yabo, initially kanti jonga iglass, so I see it as half full yabo, because ndijonga in terms of the content yabo, and I would think the majority yabantu nabo bayibona as half full yabo, because kuba rare man umuntu ajonga iglass enamanzi and then athi it's half empty yabo, okanye ke maybe ke angatsho uba ayigcwelanga yabo, depending on ba bekufanele bigcwale okanye ngagcwali le glass le yabo.
So sometimes it could be a cultural concept, ne? To call something empty is when you see there's like if ibingekho mark of a half, okanye if there was nothing at all, like culturally sometimes I think we refer to something that is empty like something like that is too small okanye too none game.
So at least up as yes acknowledge ba ikhona in there. So then ke ngoku going back to ezi so-called experts because into it's done as a test to determine whether umuntu is optimistic okanye pessimistic yabo, and those two words ngamagama are popular yabo, and into zawuthina, it's like siyawazi but sometimes kube ngathi aswazi yabo, because kuye kube nzima nokudefine yabo, but uba pessimistic associated with being negative yabo, then uba optimistic associated with being a positive person yabo. Just nje to point out apha uba those who see it as half full kuye kuthiwa they are more optimistic yabo, and those who see it as half empty kuthiwa bona ba pessimistic yabo.
Let me challenge you there. About being pessimistic and optimistic. So I assume saying it's like half full. Yeah, you are on the optimist, like we're optimist, and then when you see it as half empty, you are more of a pessimist.
Yeah.
But if we can, like, when it comes to context, I think everything like changes or it varies. Yeah. Let's say, okay, I think I know why they are saying optimistic people see it as half full, because it's approaching a maximum, which is approaching to be full.
Yeah.
Right? So that so a context here and a concept here, it says that whatever is inside here is associated with good. But if we look at it from another perspective, if let's say what's inside the object is something that is bad, that needs to be let go and let off, I think we're gonna reverse those roles of pessimistic and optimist.
So I think enye into ezosinceda kahle is to define the two words, and then sizibone how are they associated with them saying uba when it's half full, it's optimistic, and then when it's half empty, pessimistic. And also just to point out enye into endiqaphileyo yoba le analogy is not really good for me, because as I said, most yabantu xa bebona iglass enamanzi, they tend to say half full, kurare man umuntu athi half empty, and ke ngoku with the test lena that would say uba most yabantu are optimistic, but ke ngoku going to definitions zazo siyeke iglass then sicinge nje in general uba maybe ke ngoku wena as a person are you a pessimist okanye are you an optimistic, but le analogy yenziwa, and with the point I'm not sure if abo bantu that designed le analogy baye bayiqaphela uba most yabantu would say it's half full, and ke ngoku that would mean uba they say most yabantu are optimistic, but so just defining as gamma is, so optimistic or optimistic is the mental habit of looking at what is present, possible, and positive. So when you look at Indo, you check what is present and what is positive about Yona, and what is possible. And then pessimistic is the mental habit of looking at what is missing, risky, and negative. So going back to upper, then that would say uba majority yabantu banele mental habit of looking at into present and also into positive and also into positive. Possible man. Into possible, positive, and present. Then ke ngoku pessimists zona they check into missing and risks. Risks and also then there's negative. So basically the test, it would be like most yabantu are positive about izinto and the situations abasifaceayo.
Not to move away, no? Have you ever thought, I know it's tabulated, it's a difference, right? It's what separates one from the another, no? Have we ever thought about like a being, or a human being, or a group of people? Like a being that exists. You have done a probability before, like a being that exists in the optimistic part and in the pessimistic part. Or can we say that through the life decisions or life yomdu, that a person gets to become more optimistic when it comes to such and such and such and such scenarios, and then to other scenarios they become pessimistic?
So I believe as a band we are both, but we are both optimistic and pessimistic, depending on ezo scenarios ezo, so and this would like because of the test lena, then on each and every situation or face you always look at it at a pessimistic or optimistic way of thinking. So we do have both, but ke ngoku ikona outweigh enye, you find uba let's say kwi situations ezi 10, you find uba kwezi 6 you are more optimistic, then kwi 4 ube more pessimistic. Then ke ngoku apho singathi ke ngoku wena you are a more of an optimistic person than a pessimistic one. Just nje ukubuza ngoku since is defineile ezinto ezi. So when do you think ufola kwephi kwezinto zethu?
When it comes to myself and my life as well, I'm not gonna say here and lie like DT. I'm optimistic. I'm not gonna do that. But I'm gonna say that's why I posed the previous question. But I exist in both ends. I can be I can be optimistic about things. I can be pessimistic about things. So
then I agree, but even though ndiyapusha nje, but as in overall, kulaa nto bendisitsho uba kwi-10 examples you find uba maybe you lean more to elinye side than elinye, unless ke ngoku kubekho lo mntu always uhlala on the dot 5-5, of which 50% split. I doubt uba sonke sifola kuyo.
And we must not look at being a pessimist mhlawumbi into bad. It works out for like abantu.
And I like the fact that we raise le lonto because yenye misconception epushwayo apho that being pessimistic is wrong, because any question when zayibuza uba are there positive sides of being pessimistic, because I know from izincwadi ne-motivations they always push for abantu to be optimistic because of uba you look at ilizwe in a positive manner, you look at opportunities and you just look at what you have and not focus on what's missing. Because ukuba pessimistic kuchiwa mosuba, you look at or you focus more on what you don't have, and you always check your risks, and then eyokugqibela was you always negative basically.
So overall it would be optimistic, because for like if you are positive about whatever task goes on, or if you are positive whatever anything that you will deal with, if you are positive about it, even though you're coming like from a poor background or you have limited resources, or you are short of anything, or you lack of maybe one or two things, then that optimistic figure or role that you play by yourself, by the way, it pushes you, and it allows you to push boundaries as well. It allows you to seek through, and you get to achieve. And let's say the task doesn't go the way you planned, right? Even though you were optimistic about it. So that's how I do it. If it doesn't go as planned, then I'll still be optimistic about my results, even though they differ from particular results I usually get.
Nakuloo nto leyo, even though singapointanga like umzekelo as to ezo results uba zisuka from what, so let's say ufuna uqala leyo business leyo, and optimistic about yona, and then somehow zikhona nje flops obane uzifumana, and still you are optimistic nayo yonke loo nto leyo, then any question ke ngoku iba into yoba, because ukuba optimistic about into without also looking at the risks zayo, of which elo side elo leli lewu pessimistic, then you'd find uba you might set yourself for failure on ezinye izinto, because awuyijonganga le element of pessimism basically yabo of uba yes ndiyayiqala lento lena but ukuze succeed what if this goes wrong and what if that goes wrong yabo but not uba ezo nto zirong zizawukwenza ume but ibe zizinto zoba uzicheck yabo because any question even because ndibuzile mosipayiqaleni ubana can pessimism be good yabo then enye ngokho into iba into yoba can optimism be bad yabo because I looked at the pros and cons of zazo zoyi-two yabo so ndizawuqala kweze optimism yabo so eyokuqala it's like le of being resilient yabo ability to bounce back on whatever nto oyenzayo because you always look at izinto in a positive manner yabo then that's ipron yayo yabo then icon yayo is that awukwazi ubona i-blind spots yabo so you might ignore real red flags or warnings because of focusing on your wins yabo so you find uba le plan yakho ayo plan right but since you optimistic about yona uzawusoloko ubetheka kuyo yabo and ke ngoku you might use le resilience yakho but since i-foundation yakho ye-plan is not the one and awuzuzibona as blind spots then it's like yeah man if you plan irongo and then when usenza lento i-one ikhona la quote ithina
maybe le insanity
yes ithini la insanity is doing into ngendlela eyi-one and expect to see different results exactly yeah. So yeah ubu-optimism bu-right but sometimes uye umise on i-blind spots because when I focus only on i-wins yabo so that's one point and omnye umzekelo wayo
I can intervene. I once told my students they should go and fail like a test paper.
They should go and fail.
Yeah, I said that optimistically. Kubo, right? So yeah, they felt bad about that. But for me, that was an idea that I wanted to use.
Yeah.
So you have time. You have time to do izinto. You have time to prepare.
Yeah.
Let's talk about time to prepare. And then once on that preparation time, you disrespect that time and you disrespect your own self. You lose the discipline. Then I said to them, go back and fail. Go to school and fail that test paper.
Yeah.
It sounded wrong then. But to be honest, it's not.
Because izawuba fundisa something.
Yeah.
Yabo. And then going back to the insanity yakho, then umuntu uzawubona uba whatever nto ebeyenza resulted to le setback ayifumeneyo, then I would think uba ke ngoku ibizaba yinto yoba umuntu ufumene i-lesson and you need to change ke ngoku i-ways zakho.
Yeah. If you remember, I called you to this morning. This morning something just out of nowhere and it made me realize, man, I've been with these students for quite some time.
Yeah.
So we've been developing strategies of learning, teaching, and now I've been developing strategies of how we can teach one another. And into sebenzelayo, which is amazing. Peer work. When it comes to peer work, it's exceptional, bro. Like we were, like if they are seated like this, right? If they are seated in a row, maybe, right?
Yeah.
And then maybe one of them, maybe in between us, will catch information quickly, right?
Okay.
And then once one catches it, then they shift by a gomnya.
Yeah,
like money rearrange. We were doing that for these past few weeks. We were doing that like bus shift. Like for some, it wasn't like making a call comfortable enough. like to like I got it already, why should I go and explain lower above? When it started, it started like that, but what's the use of this?
Yeah.
But now that they are used to that, so if I say, okay, just explain. It's not even about going and then explain. Then omnye uthi, okay, I'll go sit next to then uzan explain, and then okay, now you're gonna be at fault now. They are not gonna just pass information go and then you're gonna sit there. If you get the information, you have to do the same as well.
Yeah.
So we are ndena babuza. But let's compare the first time you were here with the like today. Then out of nowhere, Mr. Ngosana, this girl who was shy, always been like as Bambile ngafuna express, she talked like I was like, uthi ngona nifika up, I was like, yo abantu abangaka, like how am I gonna like what? And ndathi ke mina, I made a joke ndathi ubengasugoduke ne go back home qoma, you are fine with his results unazo, you don't need to improve them. So yeah, yabona lanto yonga like be optimistic to a point where ungazazi blind spots baziziphi. Like it's necessary to check, but okay, where do I fit in? That's why it's so, which means this thing that you're saying or what is written there is agreeing with about, okay, we as humanity, we should exist in both being optimistic about things and pessimistic about things.
Yeah.
Because easy into that go maybe that don't go with values zakho apha emhlabeni. I don't think you be pessimistic about them, and nezinto that you value, I don't think you'd be pessimistic when you're optimistic about them, like fully.
Yeah.
But let's talk about task. Let's talk about task, career path, even in terms of human relation, as how we express one another.
Yeah.
And it has pros and cons about being a pessimist, being a optimist.
Yeah. So I've found umzekelo kwale, especially nale as blind spots. Yabona casino. Yeah. And more especially kwabantu bez lots machine. You find uba ufaka imali, then ufuneka maybe zibe same animals. So abantu aba optimistic. Yabo. But into aba optimistic kuyo, you'd find uba dala sacho mosuba the casino always wins. Yabo. And abantu lose money ngokufa. Yabo. But i-foundation yakhe umuntu uya ngento yoba like ufocusa on i-positive of lando ayenzayo ba ubona as opportunity yoba angenza imali. Yabo. But ke ngoku also i-blind spot ye yoba I realize uba ayondawo yokwenza imali casino. I-majority yabantu they lose money. Yabo. Yes bakhona abo ke ngokufumaniseka kuba bazoba twayindolana i-special cases yabo apho ufumaniseka kubana as blind spots baye bazijonge, ufumaniseka kubana okay, I can try and find ways to increase i-chances zami zowin. Yabo. Of which purpose as lots machine ufaka nje imali and then kwenze la nto leya, i-chances zobuwine zilow kakhulu and abantu lose money. Yabo. So i-planning, i-optimism, if ayina plan right, then somehow uzawubusenza nje into eyi-one and ufumane results nje ezibheke ecaleni. Yabo. So mandiye kwesibini into right about optimism. So it's action orientated. Yabo. So you start things. Yabo. Kune-fuel eninzi to start izinto. Yabo. And then ke ngoku ikhono yayo is that you overextend, like ubane projects ezininzi. Yabo. So you take too much at once and you believe it will work without planning. Yabo. So i-grand because action orientated. Yabo. But ke ngoku you'd find uba uzaba action orientated kwinto ezininzi. Yabo, to a point yoba unga trained kakhulu. Yabo. So i-right kule sense yoba you start izinto. Yabo. Let's say kwi-plan ekhona u-ready nje wena let's go because ujonge ngento bana izawupasa lento lena and akho nto wrong that can go yabo because focus yakho wena you just focusing on into as positive yabo kuze any project let's go yabo so ikhona yayo yeyoba ke ngoku uba too occupied izi projects ezininzi ezo so maybe ke ngoku kufuneka ukwazi uthi no kwenye uthi no nakwenye uso yabo yeah then kanti ndiye kweyokugqibela yeah umuntu optimistic enye khona yoba uba ne better health yabo so une lower stress levels and better health are likely to positive outlook on life yabo.
Yeah, when it comes to health, I think it's another gamble, just that we don't understand. I think we should talk about health sometime. Like,
didn't we do any episode about health?
We did, but after that we went for lunch, bro. Like come on.
But also, can allow upon health. It thing balance, it's not only about the consumption, kufuneka umuntu abaleke and also it's not only about ubaleka but kufuneka umuntu ajonge ne consumption yabo. So idinga nje any episode yakhe. Yabo. So abantu that look at izinto more on that look at izinto ge positive outlook have better health than abantu that always look at izinto negatively. Yabo. Then ke ngoku icon eyalondo leyo yoba yi disappointment. So when things truly fail, the emotional crash can be heavier because you didn't see it coming. So even though ujonga ngezinto nge positive light, it's good for health yakho, but ke ngoku when things like fail kahle, like kungajongi eza blind spots and whatever, then ke ngoku iba too much for your health. So there's pros and cons kuzo zoyi-two, but we are always told to always be optimistic and nakhona ku-right yabo, but kufuneka ube ne-balance nje thile of always checking ezo blind spots ezo yabo.
Because before you get in there, because when we were starting to have a conversation about this particular class that is in front of us, you could tell, but none of us want to give into either, on a separate side. You didn't want to be part of being an optimist, like fully, and you didn't want to be a part of being a pessimist fully. We were sort of like, okay,
yes. But the more of I think kwenza la test layer, I think zawufola kakhulu on the pessimistic side.
For me, it's always about the gut feeling. Like if I feel like I need to go home, I'm gonna get up and go home.
Ilando of always having to analyze izinto kakhulu yabo, that takes me to a pessimistic side yabo, because I check on what could flop kulendo le yabo, and then ke ngoku after checking on ezo flops ezo ke ngoku, then I decide ndizame ke ngoku pull in my optimistic side yabo, to try and maybe do londo leyo yabo. And I think from nezinye episodes man, I did say lendo leno ba this thing of over analyzing izinto has led me and some of my friends to not studying izinto, because you always look at into ezibheke ecaleni yabo, to a point yoba awude uqale yabo. And ke ngoku you'd find uba abanye abantu they would say bazi optimistic, abantu ba optimistic yabo, but ke ngoku abekho action orientated yabo, of which enye I characteristic enkulu of being an optimist is that you do things yabo, you don't overanalyze kakhulu, and into ezinjalo yabo. So mna I fall on L side ndiyazama by all means uba at least nenze some action yabo.
The term action orientated reminds me of the movie Office Space, released in the 90s.
Office Space?
Yeah, Office Space. I refer that movie to you about Ujong. In the movie Office Space, there's this guy who's depressed, who just don't want to work anymore, who feels like to work is just like meaningless to him. He can do life without work, but so long as he have like the income. That was what was separating him like from not actually quitting his work.
Okay.
Because he talked about action orientated. The word action orientated reminded me of the movie, because he said there in the movie, not necessarily like what he said, but what he was describing is that you can go to work and act as if you are busy the whole day, right? Just to get on with the day.
Yeah.
Like, you would find out some people are optimistic at work, some people are pessimist at work. So that plays a vital role either way, right? So I think izinto ezinjalo is things that we have to check. So if I act busy at work, then if I am busy at work, but I get the same results. But I'm not trying to cause any drama. I was just thinking out loud about that word, action orientated.
Mark, there was something even the thing I ran, but it slipped my mind. But I think it's obuy. Now, just to finish up with that, so optimism mantra or kanyimonto or whatever is that we have enough to make it to make this work. But no man, my sense. They look at positive things, they look at opportunity, and they do izinto. Then going to pessimism. So even now, so I'll check pros and cons.
Yes.
Yeah. So eyokuqala kwelicala le prawn, is it pros? Yeah, pros. Ithini xa i-1?
It's pros.
As is singular. Ayizoba like
I think it's just pro. Like it's
a pro.
Yeah.
Ke xa i-1. Wow. Yeah. So eyokuqala ile risk mitigation. I think mnandi say up Mike xa nifundayo. Risk mitigation or risk management. So most yabantu pessimistic bane risk management. Grand. So kuthiwa best bug hunters, they find holes in plans before it fails.
That's nice.
And then on the con side is that bane analysis paralysis. You find like analyze too much. So you might never start that project because of being too worried of wrong things to go wrong. So it's a big pro risk mitigation, because in life kufuneka ukwazi ukujonga risks. Like umzekelo lo casino enthetha ngayo. So I would think abantu pessimistic kakhulu, they wouldn't go park kwesa slot machine because umuntu uzawanalyze into le. And also enye into bad about analyzing is that you end up not starting into, because check nje into wrong nje yonke into ibonayo nje qha iflop.
Sometimes maybe on the flip side, so feel on the flip side, but I was going to say sometimes to calculate a risk and then ubone ba yabona le risk I'm not gonna like partake.
You're not gonna take.
Sometimes you be on the safer side, but it phindu ifike ke ngola moment ba safer till when yabo. Safer till when yabo.
And also nobu safe, it's like almost yonke into life inazo risks of going good and going bad. and ke ngoku you won't find a plan apho 100% iyasebenza yabo but ke ngoku xa ukwazi outweigh ke ngoku maybe kanye umzekelo there's 70% good and 30% bad at least just go for it yabo but abanye abantu like most I think andikosho ndayivaphi but yayinto ethethwa Elon Musk esithi bana ezinye projects zakhe iba 50% chance but uye ayithathe because focus yakhe yena focus on the win side yabo it's a gamble ekugqibeleni yabo but ke ngoku if we pessimist xa ujonga into ene 50% chance you're like man it's waste ixesha apha it's like you're gambling
sometimes yazi look at it on the brighter side like 50% chance like ikhona land when you look at that you're like okay this happens it all goes down for me like it's the worst if this happens then I win like in a huge amount of success
but also 50% of losing what
okay
iba khona nenye ngolento like let's say umzekelo uya kwi business apho you'd have to invest lo 100k and umuntu akuxelela bana it's a 50% chance yoba it can succeed okanye ingaflop.
And like to agree with that is a problem on its own, right? If someone is going to tell you that okay, you might lose this, and then sign here. Yeah.
But being a pessimist, look on the bright side, yabo. If you win up, then ke ngoku i-problems zakho ziphelile.
No.
Yeah, well, ziyaphela i-problems zakho.
I think that's where I draw the line. Then. Like, if
because Lando, it's like a situation okuyo ngoku won't change if you don't take the chance.
Yes, I know.
So take your chances.
I know that's how life works. If you take a chance, and then if it works out, if it doesn't work out. But sometimes allowing a person, if they tell you, okay, this might work, okay, this might not work, you know the rules, sign here. Like it's like you're giving them go ahead, like, but now okay, this is like say already on the chance of me not getting what I was supposed to get out of this.
No man, like kungathi that practical ukho into oxelayo but ingayinto nawe oyifigarisha out yabo in your planning uplan ubone ba okay lento le inazi downsides zayo and then inazo ne upsides zayo then ibe decision kufuneka uyixele yona yonke then lamntu uthetha ngayo yoba uyaxelela ubana ine 50% ibe nguwe ke ngoku uyirealize le ngoku then ufuneka udecide ingabi yonto yoba umuntu uza gamblishela hayi man not uza gamblishela umuntu uza scam.
I know like when it comes to a scam I like to keep quiet because as I once said this like that like but once you get scammed then you come back telling your friends you got scammed. The more you tell the people that you got scammed, like the more you tell them your story, it's like something is about to change in the story, but we know at the end of the story you's about to get scammed.
Siyayithanda look na build up and then ke ngoku siye call out ba hayibo why didn't you see this coming and whatever as if nathi if basically situation we would have done into a different but
and it revolves around the personality man. Like if you're easy, you're like willingness yako has to define you as well. How willing are you to do something? Like how willing are you? Then that's so many times one about the willingness yako is based on what? Based on heart, based on like if you're too like sometimes if you're willing the disappointments that you're gonna get there's so much, but sometimes if you're willing somewhere somehow it works for you. It becomes a main thing when doing like people would read books. Someone did take a chance. They are good now, and now I'm like, let me take this chance. then it doesn't work out for you. Then you become like
you have to take more chances.
A total different person.
You take
like,
more chances.
I know, I understand, because every event that occurs in one's life changes them. Like it changes them. It either destroys or builds them.
Okay, mandiye kwesithathu. So enye wathi realistic prep. Yabo. So you are really caught off guard. You have a backup battery and an extra 100 rand just in case. Yabo. So we plan, like we are planner for what happens if.
Oh, okay.
Yabo. Yeah. Then kwel side lingapha ne lower energy. So constantly looking at the void is exhausting. For wena and people around wena. So always looking as into the bathe void upper, yabo, but constantly looking at what's missing basically, or don't empty or whatever, yabo, is exhausting for wena and also for nabantu around wena, yabo. So sometimes just focus on uba at least akhona amanzi than uthi yo awekho amanzi okanye awagcwelanga, yabo. Appreciate le khona than usuke uthi eish anayo into ethile, yabo. So iyadrain, yabo. But also and that's why bezibeke side by side is, yabo. But le realistic prep is that you are really caught off guard, yabo, of which ile ibi con kwi pessimist as a blind spots, yabo. So umdo pessimistic, yabo.
Uthe optimistic uthe akaziboni blind spot.
Yeah, akaziboni, yabo. So kulona uyazibona, yabo. And it kulando, yabo, of saying umdu must always be optimistic and whatever, yabo. You will lose out on seeing as blind spots is, yabo.
Again, if you pin with demand alarm, there's a 50% chance of you about win or lose. Then now once you look at this person who's okay, this person is completely lying. We are born and like, yeah.
Oh, so any point so high quality, yabo. So by focusing on what is missing, you push for higher. Okay, yeah. So by focusing on what is missing, you push for higher standard of excellence. Yabo. And then ke ngoku kwel side lingapha, of which icon is that babeke is stagnation. Yabo. You might miss out on life-changing opportunities because the risk felt too high.
Yeah.
50% split. Ungayenzi. Then so I think sitouchile on ezinto ezi, yabo. Ukuba stagnant kukuhlala nje endaweni eyi-one because awufuna uthatha i-risk, yabo. Umuntu pessimistic, and I think that's why i-books nazo zisitsho kakhulu bana you need to be optimistic about your life. Because if you don't take chances, then uzawuhlala kwindawo eyi-one. Going back to stupid insanity, yabo. You always doing into eyi-one and you expect different results. Yabo. And then ke ngoku kwelcala le high quality, but by focusing on what is missing, you push for a higher standard of excellence. So you recognizing uba maybe awunayo into ethile, then you use your optimistic side to push for that. Yeah. So I think ezinto kufuneka zisebenze zoyi-two, yabo. But I don't like lendo of incwadi and also abantu abamotivator, they always paint being pessimistic as bad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because they always push for optimism. And maybe since action orientated, yona bad. Because kulena yona, yes, uyazibona problems, awuzikwenzando, yabo. So nayo iyayidinga la bit of pessimism.
So people basically have a choice to choose when to be. Yabo.
Yes. And also recognizing uba ngoku wenza ntoni, like ukweli beside, yabo. so that uzobona bana ingaba le decision needs me to be pessimistic okanye optimistic.
And one other thing that you should take into account is that if let's say we seated like this, then you tell me, but you should be optimistic on this department. Yeah. That's when I'm like, I'm gonna kick you in. Like, you don't have to tell me where I should like go or what. Like, that's why it's a man's game, because if it's a man's game, you have to rely on yourself.
Yeah.
Whether you lose or fail, because if it's someone else's idea, then it goes back to that person who tells you it's a 50% chance again. So they will push you to the decision they want, not the decision that you want, or to the decision that you think you want.
Yeah.
But maybe somehow, when you find a task to do or projects to do, like, we know time is a limitation sometimes.
Yeah.
But at some point, it is okay to to shift your task, to shift your time away from particular task to focus maybe on one task. Or maybe for some people, they master it like multiple tasks. They master, like, they know how to maneuver their time. So if for one it works well for them to be on a specific and a particular task, then they excel, then they move on to the next. Obviously, they're gonna develop a skill. But so if you're gonna multitask,
akho formula.
There's never a formula.
We are different people, our personalities as different, and these strengths and weaknesses as different. So umuntu uzazi ngokwakhe uba okay, play situation, let me use this part of myself, of which le pessimism part okanye le optimistic part. Cause nam kwenye situation I might think uba no, like le decision needs the pessimistic side yam, omnye umuntu athi idinga i-optimistic side. Then we go for it. Then imantra nalapha, or imonto of pessimist kuthiwa, what happens if it fails? Of which, even though ingathi xa uzibuza le question, yes, you're being negative and whatever, but you do need the question when planning. But okay, I'm gonna build lendo lena, but what happens if this fails? Not to say uba after 5 minutes or answer yes or stop, but at least I initiate out as blind spots is. So that even though eyes by into yobana nothing can catch you off guard, but at least is evident nje uziclean out, then ke ngoku kubekho leyo ke ngeza quarter off guard if iba khona. So the advice ebekwe pha kuthiwa use pessimism when planning and then use optimism when performing.
But it's beautiful, because when we started, I told you about the probability, about an intersection between these two. But you have to have where you exist in both worlds. You don't have to exist in a singular world. So sometimes you exist in a singular world for the benefit of that particular task. Sometimes you exist in both worlds for the benefit, again, of that particular task or tasks. So it makes sense.
Then optimism provides the wind or the drive to move. Pessimism provides the anchor, the stability to stay safe. So
they are both needed.
Ziyadingeka zoyi-two, and that's why team, because as wabe nchilo ba zoyi-two sinazo, but you'd find uba umuntu has more than the other. Phakula out of 10 you'd find uba bakhona abanye abantu abana 7, then afumane 3 kwelinye side. Kula misekelo leyana. So with team we do need abantu aba more optimistic, so that sizokwazi umove, and then you also need abantu aba pessimistic, so that bazokwazi uchecka i-blind spots zethu. Then if are your team, but also nawe ke ngoku as a person, you do need zoyi-two ezinto ezo. Not lando yoba optimism is bad, pessimism, hayi man, pessimism is bad and the optimism is the holy grail, yabo. Maybe in most scenarios, yabo, they want the optimism, yabo, which is the action le, yabo. Action ubone uba kwenzeka ntoni, then uphinde uye. But without the proper planning, then uzawufana nomuntu osecasino busy pa, and ungayenza lando ulife wakho wonke ungawini. Yabo. Yeah, so I think plans zam siphelile apha.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So if that's it, I like that you had to put this class here. And actually, there's a big reveal afterwards. So there is no big reveal.
Yeah,
but it was a model to as a structure, right?
Yeah.
To be able to model something so that you can pass out the information or pass or make information accessible. It's very powerful to use. And as an individual, you have to question what's in front of you, right? Not question in a destroying manner. Like, don't use language that is not appropriate. Questioning it would be, what are the benefits for me for this? This thing. Like, if you check those things, then what are the benefits? What are the, like, when you go with it, then we born, okay, this and this, okay, I need this and this, I don't need, but what do I do? So to be able to model things into the simplest form so that you create more understanding, it's very powerful. And we have to be very respectful of context around. So I'll preach the word context, because what you value might differ from context around in terms of what you value. So for somewhere in the world, as like places are different. As places are more of agriculture, as places are more of industrial, as they're more educational, as they're more into tech. So values, they differ. Even if we look at those, even if within a population, there are different. Even if it's the same population that is expected to do in one, but even apart, there are differences. So to tackle on being an optimist, to tackle on being a pessimist, like, it's just an agenda on its own. That is very powerful. Like, in terms of usage here too, like, you calculate, sometimes you miscalculate, sometimes out of as long as those, you go back to your book. You go back to your diary, and you're like, okay, I failed here, what should I do next? And then I won here, how can I do better? Because I think once you win, I think ubanala mentality about, okay, if I did this, let's try to do it under 2 minutes. Then check if I'm gonna get the result the quickest way or
So I like the fact that we need to question izinto ezo, and I think with these episodes izamayo ngoku izawulina towards londo leyo because layer last week we're sort of like asking ourselves as to why are we not doing izinto kuthiwa masizenze by ezi mentors basically, I would say. And ngoku kulena, it's sort of like interrogating le test le, and also interrogating about why do as mentors say abantu must be optimistic more than lena of which ngoku se realize ubana we do need a bit of both.
Which is wonderful. And then coming back to, okay, I'm not going to say 50-50, but there's like a sense of judgment. Sometimes when they put someone in place that you should listen to, or that should guide your path, Naleo, it has like a different agenda on its own. Like, it is a lot of psychological things that should be taken care of. Because you would find out, like, if you are gonna tell someone, okay, this will work for you, like, it's coming from what place? From Kwelaka side. Is it coming from a place of get your stuff together and you're just patient with that person, like patient until they, it's a difficult task, I'd say.
No, I think sigqibile leya namhlanje, and we'd have to find next week into similar to this up of manse kuba there's either law topic a common eyaziwayo or leyo advice eyaziwayo, and we put it to test to test just by conversing about yona and to abantu ababukeleyo ndizawuphinda ndibabeke
only now sorry about that, only now you think about abantu ababukeleyo when you're closing.
Look,
you are so optimistic about abantu ababukeleyo.
So I would ask kuba abantu, like, are they optimistic okanye are they pessimistic, and also ingaba yilento yobana are they both, and to le test lena maybe umuntu ayenze and then atsho uba like answer yakhe uba yeyiphi, and I so wish I can get maybe umuntu othi ubona like half empty, because kuyabuza ngose question uba is this glass half full or half empty, so with abazothi like half empty, just to converse with bona babona njani, because the majority abantu I would think eyoba babona half full than half empty, and I think the grand Mate.
I truly appreciate what just happened here, like on today's business. So Nyani, like, if more people think what they see is what they see, and then less people think what they see is what they see, it's also a test between two worlds, which is another conversation for another day. So that's why in City you have to bring it down to where people are, where like systems are bezinja. Like, we can't necessarily blame Umdu just because they think this is what they see. Obviously they
no glena akho right or wrong answer, indlela nje qha umuntu awired ngayo.
Glena sichuba, like, systems is about to have to be appreciated and like be patient, like listen to a person, okay, I think this glass is half whatever, then I do to so and so and so. Then you realize, that's how you see it, like where you're coming from. Where I'm coming from, it's like this. Like,
and also I don't think it's a good test lena to say umuntu pessimist or optimist, like le ndichilo uba mna ndibona as half full, of which is andibeka kwelicala le optimist, but I think mna ndifola on the on the pessimistic side than le test it ndifola kuyo, but so bonana Mate.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sure.